सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। नमो नमः। गतकक्षायाम् अस्माभिः द फर्स्ट बुक ऑफ भाण्डारकर इत्यस्य दशमः पाठः पठितः। अस्मिन् पाठे आत्मने क्रियापदानां परिचयः अस्माभिः ज्ञातः। तत्र सर्वप्रथमम् आत्मनेपदिनः लट् लकारस्य एकवचनस्य प्रत्ययाः अधीताः। वस्तुतः वयम् एकवचनं द्विवचनं बहुवचनं सर्वमपि जानीमः इति कृत्वा एकवारम् अहं क्रियापदानां परिचयं कारयित्वा साक्षात् वाक्यं प्रति अथवा वाक्यानि प्रति वयं गच्छामः। एकवारं स्लाइड् दर्शयामि। एतद् वयं जानीमः। से इते अन्ते ते इते अन्ते से इथे द्वे ए आवहे आमहे. So these pratyas will be added to the roots. If the root belongs to first conjugation, we will add avikarana like vanda. Vand is the main root. If we add avikarana, it will be vanda. Then directly we can add pratyas vandate. So the form will be formed like this: vandate, vandete, vandante. Vandete becomes because a plus e changes into a. Gunadesha happens and vandete it becomes vandante. So here the vanda vikarana a plus a, there would be pararupa and it will become vandate. अतो गुणे इति सूत्रेण अकारः लुप्यते, एकः अकारः लुप्यते, वन्दते इति रूपं भवति। वन्दसे, वन्देथे, वन्दध्वे, वन्दे, वन्दावहे, वन्दामहे. This is how the let lakaranta forms we can take. Any kriya pada, if it is fourth conjugational, then ya vikaran will be added, like jana changes into jayate. How it changes, it is not given in this book, so we are not worrying about that. जायते, जायेते, जायन्ते, जायसे, जायेथे, जायध्वे, जाये, जायावहे, जायामहे. मृ changes into mriya and then avikaran will be added. It will become mriyate, mriyate, mriyante, mriyase, mriyathe, mriyadve, mriye, mriyavahe, mriyamahe. 10th conjugational roots are ubhayapadi. Most of the padas are ubhayapadi only. Some of them like mrigayate will be atmanipadi. Otherwise, we can even decline like shalayati or kshalayate. Both are fine. So let's see kshalayate, kshalayate, kshalayante, kshalayase, kshalayethe, kshalayadve, ksalaye, kshalayavahe, kshalayamahe. This is how all conjugational root will be declined. Based on this, we are going to make some sentences. Okay, so keep this rupas in mind. Before that, what we will do, saha, the kartas will be added to the kriya padas. For example, saha vandate, tau vandete, te vandante, tvam vandase, yuvam vandete, yuyam vandadve, aham vande, avam vandavahe, vayam vandamahe. This is how if we take up any another kriya pada. Let's take bhashate. सह भाषते, तौ भाषेते, ते भाषन्ते, त्वं भाषसे, युवां भाषेथे, यूयं भाषध्वे, अहं भाषे, अवां भाषावहे, वयं भाषामहे. Similarly, in Kriya Pada you can take up and practice one, then we will move towards Vakyas.
Bhashase?
Yes, we did it.
We just, that's what I was thinking.
You can take sevate.
Okay. Sevate, sevete, sevante, sevase, sevethe, sevadve, सेवे, सेवावहे, सेवामहे. I forgot to add the saha, so let's do that. Sah sevate.
Another
Tau.
you can take up.
Sorry.
Another Kriya Pada you can take.
Okay. Rabhate.
Manyate, this one.
Which one?
Manyate, manyethe. That
Sah manyate. Tau manyete. Te manyante. Tvam manyase. Yuvam मन्येथे. यूयम मन्यद्वे. अहम मन्ये. आवाम मन्यावहे. वयम मन्यामहे.
correct. Nedaji, do you want to take one Kriya Pada and add kartas?
Yeah. Aham, no. Saha sevate. Tau sevete. Taha sevante.
Sah tau te.
Te sevante. Tvam sevase. Yuvam sevete. Yuyam sevadve. Aham seve. Avam sevavahe. Vayam sevamahe.
This much practice will be sufficient. Now we will directly move towards Vakyas. So 10th part we had already seen the meaning of words, you know. I hope you have gone through this. So this is the part 10th, and here mainly we will focus on singulars. So it is going to be very simple. Okay, first sentence is Devam Vande. You have to add some Kartrupadam if it is missing, and you can make full sentence.
So aham devam vande. I salute the gods.
Next, Bhayam Shankase.
Tvam bhayam shankase. You suspect fear? I don't know.
Correct. Bhayad Vepate Hridayam.
Mama hridayam bhayat vepate. My heart trembles or quakes due to fear.
Suryah Prakashate.
The sun shines.
Vyagro Mriyate.
Vyagraha mriyate. The tiger dies.
Satyam Bhashase.
Tvam asatyam bhashase. You speak untruth.
Hare Udyamam Shlaghe.
Harehe udyamam shlaghe. Praise Hari through industry.
Kartrupadam.
Atvam.
No.
No, shlaghe. Sorry. Aham shlaghe.
Aham Harehe Udyamam Shlaghe means
I praise Hari through industry. Shlaghe is industry or exertion. That's what it said.
Which is this?
Sorry?
I wrote, I praise efforts of Hari. That's what I wrote.
Hare.
Oh.
So Sambandha we have to say the Udyama of Hari, the industry of Hari, the Prayatna of Hari, isn't it? Efforts of Hari.
Oh, Harehe. Okay. Harika. Okay.
Shakti Vibhakti. Even though it is Panchami, but because Panchami Shashti is same, but here in this case it is Shashti only.
Oh, thank you. Because the sentence didn't make any sense. I wrote it, but it didn't make any sense to me. Okay. Thank you.
Pustakani Mrigayase.
Tvam pustakani mrigayase. You seek books.
Virorim Nishudayate.
Viraha arim nishudayate. The brave man or warrior destroys his enemy.
Modako Balakaya Rochate.
Balakaya modakaha rochate.
In this
The child likes sweet.
हाँ, तो basically while translating we have to say child likes modak. हाँ, बालकाय.
Modak.
So whenever there is रुच क्रियापद रुच्यर्थाणां प्रीयमाणः. So रुच इति क्रियापद योगे यस्मै रोचते तस्य चतुर्थी विभक्ति. बालक इति चतुर्थी विभक्त्यन्तः. यतोहि तस्मै रोचते खलु इति कृत्वा बालकाय मोदकः रोचते. कटः कुत्र वर्तते? Question mark, there should be question mark, but
Where is the mat?
the mat. मणीन् परीक्षते मणिकारः.
Manikaraha. Manin parikshate. The jeweler examines the pearls.
पुत्रस्य लाभेन मोदते.
He or she rejoices on obtaining or acquiring a son.
Meeraja, how did you translate this?
He delights by the profit of his son. That's how I wrote.
That is also fine. That is also works. Putrasya labha. Labha can be either the profit of son. That is also fine. Putrasya labha.
I like the Prarthanaji. He got a son and so he's
Both ways.
he's delighted.
This language ना हर एक सेंटेंस से कुछ अलग मीनिंग हम निकाल सकते हैं. This is how commentators put their understanding and they write commentaries, right? Similarly, we can get different meaning. बेचारे कवि को क्या बोलना होता है उस कवि को ही पता, लेकिन भाष्यकार अलग अलग मीनिंग निकाल लेते हैं उससे. Okay, next.
Buddha moksham labhate. The wise man attains moksha.
Yes. Hey Ram, sushtu shobhase vinayena.
Hey, so I'm not sure if this is correct, but hey Ram, you behave well through modesty.
Shobhase. Shobhase.
I wrote shine.
Here, Shobha Dhatu has the meaning different. Shining is fine, but in this book they have given Shubha Shobhate as कहाँ गया वो Shobhate, Shubha Shobhate, splendid, to become, to behave. So you can say shine also. You can even say he behave. So Ram, oh Ram, you vinayena, modesty, you looks good or you behaves will not sound that good, but you shine through your modesty.
Okay. Shine through your modesty.
You shine well because sushtu is there.
You shine well through modesty. Next.
Janat sukham.
No, it is not Janat.
No, Jnanat. Jnanat sukham jayate. With knowledge, happiness results.
Sneho vardhate.
Rama's affection or friendship increases in Narayana.
Jananam kalyanaya nrupo yatate. Question mark should not be there. कुछ गलत करके रखा है कुछ जगहों पे उन्होंने.
Nrupaha jananam kalyanaya yatate. The king strives for the good of his people.
Acharyam shishyah sevate.
Shishyah acharyam sevate. The student strives, sorry, the student serves the teacher. Sorry, I can't read what I've written.
Vishwamitrastraani shikshate Ramah.
Ramaha Vishwamitrat astrani shikshate. I don't know. I was not sure. What I wrote was Rama studies the weapons from Vishwamitra.
Sentence wise it is correct.
Shikshate. Okay.
सदाचारेण मनुष्यः स्वास्थ्यं लभते.
A person desires peace or tranquility through good conduct.
लभते means
Labhate is desire, right?
no. लभते
Labhate means attains. That's what I wrote.
प्राप्नोति लभते.
Okay, sorry. Attains.
तो मनुष्य
Conduct, the man attains peace.
or the health, swastham, good health, through sadachara, through good behavior. पुत्रस्य दुराचारात् सुखं नाशंसे.
Oh, sorry. Where is it? Putrasya duracharat sukham nashamse. So, with the, I forgot to write this. So, the sons, because of the son's bad conduct, you don't, your happiness is lost.
आशंससे. आशंस
Shamsas-
to hope. न आशंससे. Don't hope happiness through the durachara of putra, son.
Say that again, sir.
Don't hope the happiness through bad conduct of son or from the bad conduct of son.
Okay, this makes sense.
Okay, आशंस means to hope. न आशंस means don't hope. You don't
Oh.
from bad conduct, durachara, sukham, न आशंससे. Is it clear?
Yes.
Next.
I think it's Prarthana ji.
Devanam archanam arabhe. I start the worship of gods.
प्रबलेनापि वातेन पर्वतो न कंपते.
Prabalena vatena api parvataha na kampate. Even with powerful winds, the mountain does not shake.
ईश्वरस्य ध्याने रमे.
Be diverted in the contemplation of God.
What is the subject?
Rame. Aham.
Aham ईश्वर रमे.
I am diverted in the contemplation of God.
Or I enjoy, I delight in the meditation of God.
Okay.
Of God. I begin the study of Nyaya.
Aham Nyaya Shastrasya Adhyayanam Arabhe.
You endure pain.
Tvam pidam sahase.
Krishna sports with children.
Krishna Balakena Ramate.
Balakaihi ramate. Children, plural.
Oh, children, okay. Balakaihi Ramate.
The tree shakes.
Vrikshaha kampate.
Vrikshaha kampate. You serve the king.
Nandini, do you want to go?
Which sentence?
You serve the king.
Hmm.
I will go on next one. She can go. You, Tvam, Nrupam, Sevate.
Again.
Sevase. Sevase.
Sevase. I obtain wealth. Nandini ji.
Nan-
Aham dhanam vinde.
Aham dhanam vinde. Nice. Aham dhanam labhe. Both way. Obtain, vinde, labhe. Same. He salutes Rishis.
I was that I totally forget the class today. Sorry.
Saha Rushin Namate.
Saha Rushin namate. Nice.
Can I say Saha Rishinam Vandate? Can I say Rishinam?
हाँ, प्रार्थना जी नमते, नमति is a परस्मैपदी, you cannot use that. You should say वंदते. हाँ, हाँ. न ऋषीणाम no, it is a object. So द्वितीय only. ऋषीणाम चरणम वंदते. Some object should be added. So here it is given directly object. So you can say सह ऋषीन वंदते. That would be sufficient. A warrior fights with his enemies.
Veeraha Shatrubhyaha Yudhyate.
Shatrubhyah, which vibhakti is this?
That is, I thought is a Tritiya Vibhakti.
No, Shatrubhyah is not Tritiya. It is either Chaturthi or Panchami.
Oh, yeah.
Guruna,
So,
Gurunam,
Shatrubhihi. Shatrubhihi.
Shatrubhihi. So, Veeraha, Shatrubhihi, Saha, Shatrubhihi, Saha, Yudhyate.
Yudhyate.
You expect a reward.
त्वं पारितोषकम् अपेक्षसे.
त्वं पारितोषिकम् अपेक्षसे. I rejoice at welfare of friend.
So when we're saying at the welfare, are we saying I'm happy to see the welfare or I'm happy in their welfare?
At na. So Saptami actually in at.
In na. Aham mitranam kalyane mode.
Aham mitranam kalyane mode.
I was not sure about the kalyane part. That's why I asked, how does that translate? Got it. Thank you.
The rogue despises.
Also, I'm sorry. Like aham mitrasya. No, mitranam. Yeah, sorry.
Right?
Mitranam. I write it down wrong.
No, it's fine. The rogue despises the king's orders.
Shataha Nrupasya Shasane Avadhirayati.
Avadhirayati. Orders, it is plural.
Oh. Shasaneshu.
King's order. What object? It is an object. Ajna, Shasanani. Isn't it? So the rogue means, can you repeat again?
Shataha Nrupasya Shasaneshu Avadhirayati.
No, the Shataha Nrupasya Ajnaha or Shasanani Avadhirayate.
Avadhirayate. Okay. Shasanani. Okay.
I see a monkey.
Aham kapim ikshe.
Aham kapim ikshe. Rama shines by his innumerable virtues.
Ramaha asankhyena gunena prakashate.
Why singular? Innumerable virtues.
Oh. So if I say guna, then it has to be gune.
Gunena gunabhyam.
Gunaihi,
right?
Adjective also. Tritiya bahuvachanam.
Gunaihi, right?
Adjective. असंख्य
असंख्येय
So,
असंख्यैः गुणैः रामः शोभते प्रकाशते. Okay. From fear of God, he does not speak a lie.
ईश्वरस्य भयात् सः असत्यं न न वदति.
No, here we are learning Atmanipada Kriyapada. So you have to use Atmanipada.
सः न वदते. I don't know.
Parasmaipadi. We have learnt another Kriyapada. Bha.
Or speak भाषते.
ईश्वरस्य भयात् सः असत्यं न भाषते. The disk of the moon increases in the bright half of the month.
चंद्रस्य बिंब मासस्य शुक्ल पक्षे वर्धते.
Yes, चंद्रस्य बिंबः शुक्ल पक्ष बिंबम नपुंसकलिंग I think ना. चंद्रस्य बिंबम
मासस्य शुक्ल पक्षे वर्धते.
शुक्ल पक्ष bright half. Okay, a sinner suspects even friends.
पापः मित्राणि अपि शङ्कते.
Sinner पापः मित्राणि अपि शङ्कते. Yes. A tree looks beautiful by the appearance of fruits.
वृक्षः फलैः उद्गमनैः शोभते.
Of fruits.
Of fruits is फलानां उद्गमनेन शोभते.
वृक्षः फलानाम् उद्गमैः शोभते. उद्गमैः शोभते. From sin results spiritual ruin.
पापात् जायते आध्यात्मिक नाशम वर्तते.
पापात् आध्यात्मिक नाशः
वर्तते.
जायते. Results जायते. भवति. Fine. He seeks jewels.
सः रत्नानि मार्गयते.
मार्गयते. मृग मार्गयते. What was that root?
It is margayati is seeking, but I'm not sure. I could be wrong.
Okay, just a minute. कहाँ था वो? मृगयते. It is आत्मनिपदी जी. So मृगयते.
Then what is margayate?
Margayate, that would be Nijanta form.
Oh, okay.
He seeks jewels means saha ratnani mrugayate. Generally, a man strives for wealth.
पुरुषः धनाय यतते.
Purushah dhanaya yatate. A devotee.
I didn't write this. I don't know why I forgot to write these sentences.
Prayah. Generally.
Prayah, yeah.
Prayah.
I have a quick. Sorry.
Yeah, go ahead.
What is the difference between prayaha versus prayashah?
Same, almost same.
Prayah purushah dhanaya yatate.
A devotee likes the worship of God.
भक्तः देवस्य अर्चनं रोचते.
When there is a rucha kriya pada, there should be chaturthi vibhakti. One who likes it, the person should be in chaturthi vibhakti. So, who
So
likes
bhaktaye,
bhaktaya devasya pujanam अथवा bhaktihi रोचते. Okay. Next. I tremble from fear of punishment.
Aham dandena bhayat vepe.
Why dandena? Of no,
Sorry.
of punishment.
Dandaha.
Whenever there is a of, we have
Dandasya.
dandasya.
Dandasya. Sorry.
Bhaya.
Yeah.
Okay. I learn beauty from my preceptor.
Aham acharyat dharmam adhyayanam kuru, I don't know.
Learning the new kriya pada we learned as shiksha.
Oh, aham acharyat dharmam shikshe.
Aham acharya dharmam shikshe. Yes. The poet panegrizes the king or praises the king, extols.
kavihi nrupam shlagate.
Nrupam shlagate. Yes. I die by the arrow of mine.
Aham arinam sharaihi mriye.
Okay, done. Next is 11th. Here dual and plural will be used. Already we have learned, but we will go through. The pratyayas are for singular. It is like vahe. Dual and plural. It will go like vahe mahe, ithe dve, and ite ante. So if we add with kriya pada, before adding vakaradi and makaradi pratyaya, previous akara will lengthen. So vandavahe, vandamahe it will become. In other cases, vandase, vandethe, vandadve, vandate, vandete, vandante, it will remain as it is. So full forms we have already seen. So vandate, vandete, vandante, vandase, vandethe, vandadve, vande, vandavahe, vandamahe. Now new roots they are introducing. The first conjugational roots are kat. It becomes kathate. Kathate. To praise, to flatter. Shramate, to forgive. Pragalbhate, to swagger. Swagger means badai marna, na?
Right.
Swagger means like walking like a drunkard person? No?
Swagger.
I don't know.
Swagger needs, I need to find it out. I don't know. Might be that meaning also, swagger. Vidayate means to fly. Bhikshate, to beg. Yachate, to beg. Bhikshate, yachate, sent. Spandate, to throb. Spandan. Smayate, to smile. Vismayate, to wonder. To be dismayed. Okay, to be dismayed. Vismayate. Swadate, to taste. These are first conjugational roots. Then there are fourth conjugational. Arudhyate, anurudhyate. Anurudhye is to obey. अभिवादयते, अभिवादयति, to salute, to respect. Now there are some mixed words like अपराधः, fault, अभ्युदयः, rise or the prosperity. रेज बोलते हैं क्या इसको, क्या बोलेंगे?
Rise.
राइज,
Rise.
ओके. अभ्युदय, प्रॉस्पेरिटी, प्रॉस्पेरिटी इज गुड वर्ड. आम्रम, मैंगो फ्रूट. आराधनम, प्रोपिटेशन, प्लीजिंग.
Propitiation.
अच्छा, प्रोपिशिएशन, ओके ओके, हाँ प्रोपिशिएशन. आराधन. उद्योग, एप्लीकेशन, एक्सर्शन. उपालंब, अकाउंट. कपटम, फ्रॉड, डिसीट, डिसीट ना.
Yeah.
गात्रम, लिंग, गानम, सिंगिंग. गायकः, सॉन्गस्टर, सिंगर एक्चुअली. गुणः, मेरिट, क्वालिटी, वर्च्यू. चातुर्यम, स्किल. तंडुलः, सिंगल तंडुल इज कॉल्ड वन राइस, बेसिकली प्लूरल के लिए यूज किया जाता है तंडुला, तंडुलाः, राइस. दिवा, बाय डे. द्रव्यम, मनी. नयनम, द आई. निर्देशः, डायरेक्शन, डायरेक्शन, व्हाटएवर, डायरेक्शन, डायरेक्शन. हाँ, नृत्यम, डांसिंग, अ डांस. भंगः, वायोलेशन, ब्रेकिंग. भोगः, enjoyment, sensual enjoyment. मयूरः, peacock. वचनीयम, sensual, anything censurable. प्रशंसनीयम, that is called वचनीयम. किम वचनीयम गुरु महिमा, किम वचनीयम गुरु महिमा. वसंतः, spring. वाक्यम, sentences, sorry, sentence or word. वातायनम, window. विविधः और विविधा और विविधम, वेरियस. विभगः, बर्ड. वैयात्यम, rudeness and impudence, impudence, right? Impudence. शस्त्रम, weapon. शुकः, parrot. संगीतम, singing. संसारः, this world, worldly existence. सत्यम, सत्यः, सत्या, truth or the truth. स्वीय, स्वीयः, स्वीयम, स्वीया, it is adjective, so one's own. हितकरम, हितकरः, हितकरी, हितकरा, whatever, it would be beneficial. So with these words, now you can go with next sentences. There were no new rule, only dual and plural will be used in these vakyas, so that you can focus on. Next time we will go through these sentences and we will learn some new Kriya Pada. Till that you can practice this new Kriya Pada along with, let me share the screen. You can practice Parasman, this lakar. Lot lakar pratyay you can practice. You can memorize actually. ते इथे अंते, अरे ये फिर से वापस आ गए. This one. ताम, इताम, अंताम, स्व, इथाम, ध्वम. ऐ, आवहै, आमहि. So वंदताम, वंदेताम, वंदनताम, वंदस्व, वंदेथाम, वंदध्वम, वंदै, वंदावहै, वंदामहि. So this pratyay you keep practicing. Actually you take the picture of this, and every day you go through